Example 3. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve with the equation y equals x to the 3 on 2 minus 4x to the half at the point on the graph where x equals 4. So we're going to need, the two things we'll need the gradient, which we'll get by the derivative, and the point we'll get by subbing x equals 4 into the original equation. So let's get the point first. So we'll have y of 4, so in other words, when x equals 4, is equal to 4 to the 3 on 2. Now I know some of you might have a little bit of trouble evaluating that, so I'll go through that. Minus 4 times 4 to the half. Okay, so remember 4 to the 3 on 2, you can write that as 4 to the half, remembering that a half is square root, and then put the cube on the outside, because when you have a power to a power, 3 times a half is 3 on 2. Minus 4 times, I'll do them all together, 4 to the half. So, 4 to the half is the square root of 4, which is 2, and 2 cubed is 8. So that's 8. Minus, do the bracket first, 4 to the half, so the square root of 4 is 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so the point that we're now going through, so our point is 4, 0. Okay, so in other words, it's on the x-axis. Okay, so we're going to find the gradient now at x equals 4. So the gradient of the tangent, and you can do like that if you like, which means that x equals 4. Well, actually I won't do that yet because I'll find the gradient of the tangent first. Okay, is equal to dy dx. So dy dx is equal to 3 on 2 x. So remember, move the power to the front, reduce the power by 1. So 3 on 2 minus 1 is a half. Minus 4, bring the power to the front, so that'll be times a half, x, and reduce the power by 1, so minus a half. And that'll be easier to write in like a fraction notation, not in fraction notation, in a, I can't think of the words that I'm looking for, without all the indices. So we've got 3 on 2 by the square root of x. 4 times a half is 2, and it's going to be 2 over the square root of x. So remember, the negative means that it'll put it on the bottom, it's 1 over, and the half is square root. So now we're going to find the gradient when x is 4. So we've got 3 on 2 by root 4 minus 2 on root 4. Square root of 4 is 2, so the 2's will cancel out, so 3 on 2 times 2 is 3, and the square root of 4 is 2, so 2 on 2 is 1, so the gradient is equal to 2. So the equation of the tangent, again, always use y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We've got all the bits we need now, so let's fill them in. So y minus 0 equals m, which was 2 from our gradient, x minus, and the x point was 4. So y equals 2x minus 8. Lovely. Hope you enjoyed.